Welcome to Mathematics for Mankind. Today we will discuss about multiplication by nihilum taken from Shulgo Sutra. Our very first example will be very easy, that is 9 into 6. Here we observe that 9 and 6 both are near to 10 and lesser to 10. For that reason we will take 10 as base. Our first step will be, we will subtract 9 from 10, that is 1, but we will take it as negative since 9 is lesser than 10. And our second step will be, we will subtract 6 from 10, that is 4, and we also know that 6 is lesser than 10, that's why we will take this as negative. So our third step will be, we will subtract 4 from 9 or minus 1 from 6. For both the answer will come as 5, and 4 into 1, since both are negative, minus 4 into minus 1, it is 4. So our answer is 54. So let us calculate it, whether it is correct or not. 9 into 6, that is equal to 54. So hence our answer is correct. So we will take another example of 2-digit number 97 into 95. This looks very difficult, but it is very easy to solve. Since both of the numbers 97 and 95 are 2-digit number, that's why we will take the base as 100. We took the base as 100 since both 95 and 97 are lesser to 100 and nearer to 100. So our first step will be, we will subtract 97 from 100, that is 3. Since 97 is lesser than 100, as I told, it will be negative, hence minus 3, and we will subtract 95 from 100, that is 5. It is also lesser than 100, that's why it will be minus 5. Our third step will be, we will subtract minus 5 from 97 or minus 3 from 95, for which both the answers are 92. And we will multiply 5 into 3, that is 15. Negative negative becomes positive, hence 9, it will be plus 15, and our answer is 9215. We will check it whether our answer is correct or not. 97 into 95, that is equal to 9215, hence our answer is correct. Now we will take the third example as 998 into 994, which looks much difficult than the previous one, but it is much easier than the previous one. Like previously, we will take the base as 1000, since this is a 3-digit number and it is less than 1000 and near to 1000. Our first step will be, we will subtract 998 from 1000, that is 2. As I told before, 998 is lesser than 1000, hence it will be negative, and we will subtract 994 from 1000, that is 6. It is lesser than 1000, hence it is minus 6. Our third step will be, we will subtract minus 6 from 998 or minus 2 from 994, for which both the answer will be the same, 992, and we will multiply 6 and 2, that is 12. Since it had 3 zeros and we have 2-digit number, it will be a 3-digit number, that's why we will add another 0, that is 0, 1, 2. Hence our answer will be 992 012. Let us check whether our answer was correct or not. 998 into 994. That is equal to 992012. 992012. Hence our answer was absolutely correct. Previously we had been discussing numbers lesser than the base. Now we will learn the process of calculation of multiplication which will be more than the base. Our first example will be 1007 into 1008. Like previously, we will take the base as 1000 since both the digits are just greater than 1000 and near to 1000. Our first step will be, we will subtract 1000 from 1007. That is 7. Since this time it is 1007 is greater than 1000, hence it is plus 7. And our second step will be, we will subtract 1008 from 1000, that is plus 8. So this time it is plus, so we will add 8 to 1007 and 7 to 1008, for which the answer is 1015, and 7 into 8 is 56. We took the base as 1000, hence it will be a 3-digit number. Hence our answer will be 1015056. Let us calculate it whether our answer was correct or not. 1007 into 1008. That is 1015056. 1015056. Hence our answer was absolutely correct. Next time we will discuss the process of multiplication of a mixture of number which will be greater and lesser than the base. So our example will be 1007 into 997, which is both nearer to 1000, where 1007 is greater than 1000 and 997 is lesser than 1000. We will take the base as 1000. We will subtract 1000 from 1007, that is 7. Since 1007 was greater than 1000, hence it will be positive, and we will subtract 997 from 1000, that is 3. Since it is lesser than 1000, it will be minus 3. Now our third step will be, we will add 7 to 997, or we will subtract 3 from 1007. Our answer will be 1004. We will multiply 7 and minus 3, that is minus 21. Now since we know that it is minus 21, that's why we will take 1000 from here, hence it will be, since we have taken base as 1000, we will add 1000 to 21 and our answer will be 979. Hence our answer will come 1003979. We will calculate whether our answer was correct or not. 1007 into 997, that is equal to 1003979. Hence our answer was absolutely correct. And thank you for watching this video.